Hello, this video brought to you by Sankran. Visualforce Beyond Basics. Use field sets for future proof. What is field set? It's nothing but a collection of fields and giving a group name. That's it. So, what's the purpose of it? Let's say if you want to build a Visualforce page that contains 100 fields that user needs to fill out. Would you code each fields individually, either for output using output field or input using input field or something? Would you do that? Would you happy to do that? No, it's totally inefficient way. Most of the time we play with fields in Visualforce generally, either we display it or whether we display for editing or whether we hide it or do something, either we format one value to another, we do those stuff. Just we play all the time, we play with fields. And when you have a different features, will have a different group of fields. For example, you might work for some feature called like feature X, which will have like 50 fields, say. Then definitely you won't use those 50 fields for something else. So it's advised to use a field set and put all those fields over there. Then wherever you use that feature in Visualforce page, you could usually use those field set name and render those fields dynamically. Let's see in detail what are those things. And I've given few advantage, like it gives efficient coding, like your coding, as always you tend to write less code so that less maintenance. And then it's future proof. What I mean by future proof is you could later on add some fields. For example, initially you could have 10, 50 fields, but later on you could have add 10 fields or remove 10 fields or change field label, change field names, or whatever you want, change field type. So in those cases, either you could do as a developer or an admin can do, but the Visualforce page code doesn't change. You write once and it will be applicable for future as well. That's why it's future proof. Normally this is called a dynamic programming. So you will not do anything, you will not code anything statically, you will just get everything dynamically. In this case we are getting the field names dynamically. So this is also called dynamic programming. Let's see how to use it in the code. For example, I've created a field set called op field set, and just for the illustration purpose, I've put few fields for from opportunity as well as from account and campaign. So what I do is I'm going to use the repeat component to iterate through each fields, both opportunity field and also fields from parent object. When I say parent, account and campaign. Then I display the label depending on whether it's from actual field or it's from parent field. Then I'm displaying the field value. Here you can even get the input, or you can do whatever the requirements um, ask you to do. But this is the basic thing, basic logic of how to use the fields from field set and program it very short. If you remember, if you have 50 fields and if we don't have field set feature, this code will be like 50 times more. So you could see the advantage of using field set. So as advanced developer or senior developer, I think one should always use field set wherever applicable. Let's see quickly the demo. This is the demo. Um, I'm getting the fields from opportunity. This name and quote ID and own comes from opportunity, whereas this fields account comes from account object, and the campaign object it just output like this. So yeah, it's simple, isn't it? Don't forget to like this video and provide your comments or feedbacks below. If you like this video and want to share with friends, please share them. And if you want to notified about my future videos, please subscribe below. Thank you.